What's up, six travelers? I'm from around the good world here. Waking up every day to that is just priceless. I'm at a hostel right now. Like I'm couch surfing here. I'm actually not paying. This is all because of Dean.
Stay on the road. The road's the best teacher out there.
So I'm gonna just show you the hostel a little bit and then probably I'll head to the beach. Okay, so it's time to change and go to the beach. Bon appetit!
Sunset!
Yeah, let's go for the sunset! Woohoo! Seems kinda narrow. Okay, you first.
Ladies first.
Exactly. Hi girls! I feel like the luckiest bastard in the universe, like it's so beautiful. Where are they living? Where are they going? Found them again. I think I'm going in. Oh, that was so refreshing. Jason is happy. What about Sorana? Sorana is happy as well. And what about Ambra? Sending kisses, they're jumping.
Kalinista.
Back to the hostel. I guess see you tomorrow. Can never get bored on that view. And today it's another travel day with these awesome guys.
Bam!
So we're all going with a van to Mostar, Bosnia.
I will party.
Bye girls.
Bye.
Fun life, baby. Hello guys.
Hello!
Fun situation here. Guys from Norway. Here's our awesome driver and Steph. Our rock and roll dude, Jason, waving at ya. Very excited for this fun project. We have to cross the border and then go to Mostar, which is a very beautiful town in Bosnia. Stop for gas. I want to show you my seat actually. I love sitting there, even though I might fall or die or something. When you're crossing borders with a car, have your passport ready and handy. We're going to Bosnia. I shouldn't film at the border. And we're officially in Bosnia. We also picked up Steve, that he was hitchhiking, going into the city now. So we just arrived in Mostar. I was about to sleep in the van actually, in the mattress, and he will just add more mattresses in the house, so probably I'll sleep in the house.
Germany, 6.5 years. So, the best thing in the house is a garden. Welcome.
One of the guys, he has a drone. So if you want as well to stay in this amazing house of Azar,
We are more art on a booking and Airbnb. I hope you will enjoy like Apo do.
this coffee screaming, check that out! Oh, it's ready, it's ready, it's ready, I have to take it out, it's ready! So I'm gonna drink my coffee and then I will head out. They're leaving, what am I doing here? Do you see all these holes? Probably I think that's a grenade from the war or something. This is where the old town starts. Man, Mostar is such a cute old town, like it's beautiful. That bridge is the thing that everybody's coming here to see. I shouldn't be here. They have these things, but like I just went in because I know that I'm gonna find a nice view here probably. Yeah. I got the shot, but in the end the guy was like, you have to get out. Whatever. The guys want to have their fancy lunch. I don't. And I'm going to explore on my own for now. What I'm gonna find, I don't know. I'll find nice people. They're working. I found a Bosnian wedding. Check out that. Good luck. You need it. That's a nice place. Nice little bridge, a wedding, street musicians. I was curious, so I came to the bridge and I met Jason, the artist. He was actually the worst street artist I've ever heard in my life, like seriously. I'm sorry, but it was so bad. And actually, that's so cool. Look where I am right now. I think I've reached the end of the old town, so let's go there now. Hi Jason.
You crazy mother.
I'm in a cave. Kinda. And a small waterfall. Kinda. Thanks. Thanks for existing, Mostar. Got some ice cream. Cheers, guys. And if you're wondering, it's still budget traveling because it just costs €0.5. So I'm doing pretty good actually with my budget. Sugar crash. Okay. It started raining, so we're heading back to the house. It's night and it's time to go to bed. So see you in the morning. Good morning from Mostar. We're ready. We're going to Sarajevo. If you want to see what's gonna happen on the next episode, like, you just have to watch it. It's gonna be somewhere around here, will pop up. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because all these things actually make a lot of difference. And always remember that spending less is travel more. Thanks for watching, be well and see ya.